Hey, this is Alex again from AirChatty CRM. Welcome back to a new tutorial, and today I want to talk to you about something really exciting. It's about AI, and to be more precise, the content AI. Content AI is basically a part of AirChatty CRM that allows you to create text and images in different sections of AirChatty CRM using the AI power. Okay, artificial intelligence, as you all know, is a great topic nowadays, and ChatGPT revolutionized the way we write and we, reply and generate stuff for our clients and for, for the readers. And now you have a super useful tool for you to use in AirChatty CRM. And today we're going to go through what is content AI. I just said it now. So how to generate, what can you generate with it, and how to generate text content using the content AI feature, and also how to generate images that you can use in the social media planner, so you can post on social media different texts using AI generated images. So let's jump right here into AirChatty CRM, and basically from the dashboard, I want you to go first to automation. If you go to automation and you go to content AI at the top here, you're gonna see that you can create social planner content, blog, funnel, website, and email content using content AI. You also need to know that this is not free. Okay, so it's charged on your account based on how much you're using. Okay, so this is the text that I've generated. This is the image I've generated. If you ever want to go back to see something that you generated in the past, just come here to this page and use this page. You'll be able to click go to right here, and then you go to that specific content. Okay, now quickly let's see how we can generate some text, for example, for emails. Okay, so if I go marketing, let's go email campaigns, create an email, campaign email. Yeah, let's go to blank one. I'm gonna use design editor. I'm gonna name this AI welcome email. Okay, welcome to the team. Okay, and right here I'm going to add a new text block underneath this one with a heading and a text, and there you go. Do you see right here you have content AI, right? So there is a content AI button. When you click that one, then you have to select some context. Okay, these are the prompts for those of you which are used with ChatGPT. These are the prompts. Okay, so what is the context? The context of this one is let's say introduction. Okay, welcome. Content title: welcome to our team. Okay, attention, where is it? Yeah, you can't start the title with some numbers. If you see this, please enter a valid title, you can't start the title with numbers. So if you put 15% off in the first line, the first row, no, it won't work. Welcome to our team. Welcome. So welcome to Bot Wizards team. Bot Wizards team, the place where you learn how to use your chatbots, your UChat chatbot and your AirChatty CRM integration. This is a fantastic opportunity for you to grow and learn automation. Okay, now some keywords. Let's say automation, CRM, automation, CRM, bot, chatbots. Yeah, let's just use this one. What sort of tone do I want to use? Is it a funny, casual, excited, professional? Let's put a casual one, yeah, for now. And how many variations I want, you know, the content AI to print for me. Maybe I want 2, let's say, this time. Okay, remember that the more variations you want, the more money you're gonna pay for this. Okay, so let's click generate. Right now you're gonna wait a few seconds and we have the email. Variation 1, yeah. Welcome to Bot Wizards team. We are excited to have you on board and can't wait to see what what you bring to the table. Our team is all about automation, and we believe that our UChat chatbot and AirChatty CRM integration are 2 of the best tools out there for making your business run smoothly. As you dive into the new role, blah blah blah. Okay, so okay, depending on whichever I want, that's what I'm the one that I'm gonna choose. I click copy, and it went straight into my email. When I click continue, there you go. I have the email straight into the body of my email. The AI generated content straight into the body of my email. Now I can save it. I can do whatever I want with it. Okay, let's go quickly back from here. So the same thing, I'm just gonna go quickly. The same thing is happening when you go on a website. For example, if you go sites, you go funnels, I don't know, just open any funnel. Let's go this one, open edit. Okay, any funnel. Okay, let's say I want so I want to add a new section. Can I do it here? No. Right, let's put paragraph right here. Do you see the paragraph? And here at the very top you have content AI. So even if you have an existing paragraph, or you add an existing paragraph, a new paragraph, then you can just delete the text inside and you can click content AI, provide a brief description. Okay, so 1-to-1 available for anyone who subscribes by midnight. Okay, generate. We have, yeah, we need to put some more text. Okay, so marketing, our marketing is providing free one-to-ones coaching for anyone who subscribes to our newsletter by midnight. Let's say, is that enough? Yeah, that's enough. I'm gonna put very excited tone. I only want one variation. There you go. Don't miss out on our free one-to-one coaching. Subscribe to our newsletter by midnight and get expert advice from our marketing agency. Start taking your business to the next level. Copy that. That's it. Boom. That paragraph is now content AI generated. Okay, so wherever you see content AI, and if you're not entirely sure where, you can go on help.gohighlevel.com and write content AI. You have a lot of instructions here. Okay, but pretty much go again in automation, content AI, social planner, blogs, funnels, websites, and emails. Okay, now you can see the words per day increased, variations increased, and so on. Okay, so let's go now to marketing, social planner. Let's go new post. Now I'm going to go create new post. I will select my Facebook. Okay, and right here, when I click on image, you see the image icon here, I have two options: to upload an image from my library or to create an image using an AI. Okay, so I am given this window, and then I can say something like, let's say I want to create a post about a chatbot being very helpful in your company. So I'm gonna make a chatbot. I want a chatbot that sits in front of a computer and with the right hand uses a phone. And in the right hand and his right hand has a mobile phone to his ear. Yeah, the chatbot has a happy face and the environment and the office environment is very futuristic, I would say. Okay, so number of variations, what is it? A dream-like, a poster, a filmic, a photo-like, or what other stuff we have? 3D model, watercolor. So you have different type of digital art and photography and fine art templates if you want to use. I'm gonna go with the I don't even know. Let's go with dreamlike. Okay, can't go wrong with this. Number of variations, let's say I want 2 variations, and I'm gonna click generate. Obviously we are going to wait a little bit now, but it's not gonna take longer than 20 seconds in my opinion. Oh, there you go. Yeah, the chatbot isn't holding a phone in the right hand though. Okay, he had something there, but not quite. Okay, yeah, so I would say play with the text. Okay, the text will always, the prompts are very important. What I do is I use ChatGPT to ask for a prompt, a very nice prompt, and then I get the text that is, the prompt that is written by ChatGPT, and that's the one that I'm putting here. Okay, but yeah, it does work, especially if you want basic stuff. I don't know, a landscape or something easy like, let's go back. Oh, sorry. Let's create basically let's put something like landscape, an image showing fields of green with blue sky and one tree in the middle of the field. Yeah, let's go photo like, generate. Boom. Okay, So it does make really realistic stuff for you to apply text on and so on. So it's great if you want to use it. Look, if you want to use it for purposes where you want to have a unique content and make sure that you're not infringing any copyrights, any trademarks and so on. Okay, so I think that was it. This is the content AI feature. Regarding pricing, you basically having company billing. Do you see details? You will see how much you are charged for content AI at some point in here somewhere. Are the charges? Answering machine AI. Content. Yeah, it's not showing here now. Let's ask Matthew. It takes 24 hours to see these updated anyway. Let's search in this one. Can we search? No, let's go to the second page. Calls, recordings. Because I use so little, it's not really showing here. But the pricing is let's see if we can see this. What's a link? So AirChatty, no, uchat.com.au/crm. .au. What was the page, Matthew? I know there was some pricing about email, but I'm not sure if there was any pricing about content AI. So right here on this page, if we scroll down a bit more, no. Okay. Are there any extra charges right here? So there were prices. Look, these are the prices for how much does it cost to send an SMS, an email as well. But nothing about content AI. Right. Okay. No, nothing about content AI. Right, that's fine. What I'm gonna do is I'll chat with Matthew and I'll ask him to provide us with an update on this one, and I'll put a link into the description once we have that. Okay, right. So that's it. This is Content AI. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and have a lovely day. Goodbye.